Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Let's review the Resmed AirTouch F30i Comfort Full Face Mask in this video. The AirTouch F30i Comfort introduces a new standard of wearable therapy. This full-face mask prioritizes skin health without compromising on seal performance. By integrating a fully fabric-wrapped frame, the F30i Comfort eliminates the plastic feel of standard masks, keeping your skin feeling fresh and cool all night. Parts of this mask include the AdaptiSeal cushion that maintains a consistent, leak-free seal even as you toss and turn. It sits under the nose and is lined with fabric for added comfort. The quiet air venting diffuses exhaled air quietly, making the environment more peaceful for both you and your partner. The elbow and tube connection is located at the top of the head to keep the hose out of your sight line and away from your face. The quick-release elbow makes it easy to disconnect from therapy in case you need to get up in the middle of the night. The fabric-wrapped frame provides a soft-to-the-touch feel all around the face, reducing irritation and promoting a cool sensation. Its soft fabric adapts to all different facial shapes and sizes to accommodate a vast range of CPAP users. The headgear secures the CPAP mask to the face to maintain a consistent, comfortable seal. Its soft fabric sits comfortably on and around the head. It is equipped with upper and lower adjustable straps to help patients find a fit tailored to them. To disassemble this mask, undo the upper and lower headgear straps and pull them away from the frame. Squeeze the side buttons on the elbow to detach it from the frame. Next, grip the frame connector and lift up to unclip the frame from the cushion. Repeat on the other side. To reassemble, align and insert the frame connector into the slots in the cushion. You'll hear a soft click to know they are properly in place. Attach the elbow back to the frame. With the Resmed logo facing outward and up, insert the headgear straps into the frame. Your mask is ready for use again. Take the lower headgear straps off of the cushion and align the cushion under your nose so that it's secure against your nostrils. Pull the rest of your mask up and over your head. Bring the lower headgear straps under your ears and attach them back onto the frame magnets. Adjust all of the headgear straps to find what works for you. You are now ready for CPAP therapy. We wish you luck with your CPAP therapy. To learn more about this mask or to purchase it, visit us online at www.thecpapshop.com. Thanks for watching.